Hi there, I've got another ninja art tip for you, and today's a little bit of a weird one. I was thinking just a little while ago about the elements, the old-fashioned elements, the earth, air, fire, and water. So these, you can sort of use these to remember things about painting. So here's how it goes. Earth, air, fire, and water. So I'm just going to give you a clue today, and then I'll expand on it in the next few ninja tips. So, earth and air. So, earth is below and air is above. Fire is related to the fact that colours have temperatures. So, there's all sorts of tricks you can use in your paintings when you know about that little element. And the last element is water, which I equate to the whole idea of transparency. So transparency can completely transform your paintings when you understand transparency in your paints. So earth, air, fire and water, that's just a teaser. I'm going to give you each of those ideas expanded in the next few tips. So if you'd like to know a bit more, you know the drum. Go to the dojo at zenandtheartofart.com and please like, share and comment on the video so that other people can see it as well. Thanks for watching.